Let's extend an arpeggio figure even further by going a full 2 octaves with the left hand and the right hand in contrary motion as well for some beautiful harmonies. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Let's jump straight into a tutorial, starting with our left hand, going over our A minor pattern here, up and down twice, and just get comfortable there from our A and up. Right hand, then our last video we grew our right hand then by sliding our thumb under and thumb passing, sliding it under our hand up to the A and extending up to the top A there. So let's do that again. Finishing on that one there. So our left hand's going to keep bubbling away. This right hand's going to be the feature then. Let's do it now on the D minor pattern. So the left hand's just going to bubble up and down 2 times. Not actually changing position or anything, but staying over that 1 octave of notes. The right hand is then going to go up to our D notes, slipping our thumb under all the way up to the top A there. So let's do that again. A, D, F, thumb under, so gliding under without any hiccups this way at all the way to the top A, and then we're going to go to our B pattern, B, E, G sharp, let's up and down, let's go up and down that under our hand, then this time let's slip under our thumb, and float off there, back to the D pattern, starting on our A here, and then finishing on our A minor arpeggio all the way there to the top. Now that we've had that little revision, let's go together. So up and down together for the first octave. Now let's extend the right hand all the way up. Today, let's also bring it down. There on our A's. Let's go together again and then we're going to switch to our D pattern. D notes now. Now slide your thumb under. All the way back down. Before we play our A there, we're going to change to our B note. So then we're over our E chord, thumb under, back in, and over we go, and then D again, all the way up, A minor, and all the way up to finish. Let's have a bit of a closer look then at the right hand and what it does with each of the chords up the top here. So we have our A, C, E, A, back down, and then we're going to slip our 3 over. Sometimes it's easy to kind of flick our elbow out here and get all wonky with our wrist. So as we come down, just think of coming up and over from that pinky. And then we want to make sure that our hand is doing the hard work of this time coming over our thumb. So it's the opposite of the thumb pass. Our hand's coming over, all the way down there again. Let's do that together. Push over, and just arcing over, sneak your hand. So it's like this sort of a, we can repeat it there, which really helps our thumb to be nice and neat and not doing anything awkward. So just keep our wrist level and finish down there to our D pattern now. So over, creep the 4th finger over. Let's do that again. Creep it over, then to our E pattern. All the way over, sneak your Well, let's put it into a bit of a run now and put all of our patterns together for our A minor progression. I've just tried to look at our A minor, D minor, E as part of one chord progression so that we can learn kind of the chords that also relate with each other. So that's really useful then too. Okay, here we go. Have fun with those arpeggios and see if you mix them around with your similar motion or when our hands go against into the contrary motion, and enjoy those beautiful harmonies. Catch you next time. Ta-da.